What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna attempt to replace my passenger side axle. It didn't break, just the inner boot came off. I tried putting it back on I got different tools, different clamps, and they didn't work. It kept popping out. So I added diff. I dropped my diff, so I put a spacer on it, see if that helps. I think I have too much travel on that coils. I don't know, but I got the axle brand new from O'Reilly's at a decent price. And this is what currently is happening. See, I put grease back in it, I put a new clamp, but it keeps coming off. So we're gonna put a new axle, added the spacers, and see if that helps. And first thing you want to do is remove your wheel. Yes, they're raised, and I already scratched them, so ouch. You're gonna remove your wheel and we'll go from there. After you remove the wheel, you're gonna wanna remove those cover, and there's a nut inside that you have to get it loose. I'm gonna need a 36 large socket, probably with a pry bar. And I learned this secret online. You can stick a screwdriver or something here in between the rotor and the caliper, so the rotor won't move when you try to take it out. We'll see if it works. There we go. That was easy. So now, right there is loose. See how it goes in? Okay, so after that, there's gonna be two bolts. These two 17s, we're gonna remove them. There. I think it's loose already. Hopefully. In order to remove the axle from the spindle, I was just doing it with the two bolts in the bottom, but that wasn't working, so I removed the tie rod, and that gave me enough leverage to take out the old one. So that's the bad axle. Yeah. Now we're gonna take it out. Okay guys, this is the old axle and this is the new one from O'Reilly's. They look very similar. Now I just have to go in there and put it in. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit to make sure there's no rocks or anything. But yeah, you're gonna have to put back some fluid because it's gonna leak. Okay guys, already put on the new axle. Now you're just gonna have to put everything back in the way you took it out. So you loosen up this. This is a fill plug. Make sure it doesn't get dirty. Now we're gonna put the hose and the pump here. Wait. And you're just gonna pump it until fluid starts coming out from there. Yeah. The fuck? Fold back again. Ahí está. There you go. Clean it up good. And that's it, guys. Just make sure nothing's loose. I'm gonna leave the skid plate off for a day or so to make sure nothing leaks. And I also wanna clean my undercarriage.